Craving brownies but stuck on keto? Don't settle for cardboard squares. These juicy strawberry swirls packed into a fudgy, low-carb base will have you singing soprano in the shower. Makes 12 gooey brownie squares, perfect for sharing, or not. Smile. Ingredients. Brownie base. Half cup almond flour. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 cup granulated erythritol, powdered 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. 2 large eggs. 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla extract. Strawberry swirl. Half cup fresh strawberries, sliced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon granulated erythritol, powdered 1/4 of a teaspoon xanthan gum. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. 2. Whisk dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together almond flour, cocoa powder, erythritol, baking powder, and salt. 3. Melt butter. In a separate bowl, melt butter and let cool slightly. 4. Wet ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together eggs and vanilla extract until frothy. Slowly whisk in melted butter, then gently fold in the dry ingredients until just combined. Don't overmix. 5. Strawberry swirl prep. In a small bowl, toss sliced strawberries with lemon juice, erythritol, and xanthan gum. Let sit for 5 minutes, allowing the strawberries to release some juices. 6. Assemble the magic. Pour half of the brownie batter into the prepared pan. Dollop spoonfuls of the strawberry mixture over the batter, then gently swirl with a knife, don't mix them completely. Top with remaining brownie batter. 7. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Don't overbake. 8. Cool completely. Let the brownies cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes before slicing. This allows them to set properly and become extra fudgy. Tips and tricks. Chocolate craving? Add 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips to the batter for a richer flavor. No xanthan gum? No worries. Substitute with half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Top it off. Drizzle your cooled brownies with melted sugar-free chocolate or whipped cream for an extra decadent treat. These low-carb brownies are the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without blowing your keto goals. So go ahead, grab a square, or two, and savor the guilt-free indulgence.